Hello, hello, party people. Just kidding. It's Eileen, your favorite girl. And there is Natasha. Where you at, girl?
Hi.
So we got to the Malaga airport, I think around 8. Our flight was at 8:35. We didn't get to the terminal until 8:15, 8:20, and we missed our flight. Apparently they closed it. Blah blah blah.
They're assholes.
Yeah, they're asshole. Of all fucking times, right? The Spaniards decided to be on time for the first time ever. I don't know how this works, man. I don't even know if it's getting both of us. But like, so there goes $100-something down a drain, and then another $100-something.
Yep.
Yeah, we had to run all the way across the fucking airport,
Sweating.
with
Heavy bags and shit.
only to miss the fucking flight. Thank you so much for nothing, lady in a counter.
And she was rude.
Yeah. So we're gonna spend another day here and then wait for our flight tomorrow. And we'll see how that goes.
I'm drinking.
Yeah, we need alcohol tonight. How to not pour beer. I'm just kidding. Alright, yeah. Hello. It is, what time is it? 2:22 a.m. We are in Lisboa, Portugal. Did I just say Portugal? See? 2:22 a.m. in Lisboa, Portugal. We have to spend the night here, so I don't know. Yeah, this is the get up right now. Boom, keeping my purse where it's safe. Natasha. And EO. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go see. Should we go up the stairs instead of the elevator? Whoa, we gotta take pictures later. Okay, we might have to eat here later. Merry Litmus. Oh, look, the mirror. I don't know how to zoom in with this. Nice. Let's see the view. Go ahead. Oh, we got an ugly view. And the window's open. Actually, it's not ugly.
Oh, they use weird shit.
So, current issue. How am I gonna charge anything? Damn it. I should have looked this up before I came here. Alright. Solution solved. I got 2. So they said it was €6. However, I found one that they were all the same, okay? But I found one that was $2 or €2. So I was like, well, I'll just get 2 of those versus one for €6. So I got 2 for €4. So, hell yeah. I don't know what the fuck that is, but whatever. So, pro tip, you need a UK and Ireland visitor adapter. Alright, day 1, Dublin. My outfit. Oh, it's raining. Damn it. I didn't bring my coat. Oh well, when in Dublin, right?
I guess it's opposite way.
Okay, let's go. Hotel, Charity City. Yo, I need to go get my coat. just
I don't appreciate the rain.
Just kidding. I don't need my coat. I'm gonna suck it up. Yo, we in Ireland, the land of the Irish. What? The land of the sexy men. For real. No lie. That guy at security, or it was immigration, right? The guy who stamped our passport. He had a great accent.
Yes.
Great
and
accent.
He was old.
He wasn't that old. He was like in his 30s, 40s.
He was definitely in his
He was in his prime, okay? Definitely in his prime. And he was actually super nice and made conversations with us, which is awesome.
Yeah. Not just small talk. Well,
Exactly. Well, it was small talk, but
good small talk.
the thing is, like, everybody in Ireland is so sweet so far. So. It's more mayonnaise. Oh. It's so small. Even recording. I am so mad.
I'm gonna go get this later.
You can do it later, yeah. Because my brother's getting his later. Natasha! What does it feel like? Is that barley? Or wheat?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like rice. Are you going?
You may have seen the hop plants on your way through the ingredient section. The big vine-like one.
This one is it's like, that's not very good. I'm keeping this.
Same.
She can't drink it apart.
Already you've learned all about those ingredients and the attributes, then it'll be easier to pick those out when we do the tasting technique. So it's very important when we taste.
Thank you. You want me to chug the foam? I can't do it, never mind. Sorry.
I excited me. I don't want to bump into anyone. After we get our tickets, I have to leave.
Oh my gosh, again?
General pre-booked. Is the bathroom that way?
What the the ground is like kind of wet. Oof. Do you want my scarf?
I'm okay.
Okay. This is a what? Monastery?
Mm-hmm.
What's a monastery?
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm not stealing from you, I'm stealing from the monastery. Don't come haunt me.
It's not stealing, it's free if it's on the ground. Yeah, I'm cold.
Stinky.
Yeah. Ooh, that made me dizzy. It's so